This video will show you how to cut or trim footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. So there are two ways that we can trim our footage in Premiere Pro. The first way is by navigating to where you want the trim to be. So let's use this helicopter takeoff as our example. We can then go into the Tools panel onto the razor icon. You can also press C on your keyboard to get to this. We then need to go over to where the playhead is and then just simply click on our mouse. And then this will create the cut that we wanted to create to trim that clip from that new starting point. The second way that we can do this is by pressing Command K on our keyboard. So if we go ahead and press Command K, it's going to do the exact same thing that we just did with the razor tool, but it's just using a different method. You can then go ahead and make further cuts on your clip in your timeline to get your clip to the new length that you want it to be. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.